Hello everyone, welcome back to Malaysian Boy Channels. So on today's video, we got a really nice gadget. It's been out for maybe a year now. So I just got this DJI SPARK. It's been a month with me. I've tried so many features and the video quality and everything, literally everything that I'm gonna talk with you guys about DJI SPARK today. So I'm gonna give a full review and then I'm just gonna tell you guys, is it worth it to buy this little tiny drone here? How's the video quality, and then how's the footage, and pros and cons that I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about DJI SPARK. Is it worth it, or if it's not worth it to buy DJI SPARK? So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so as you see, this is DJI SPARK, which is all around me right now. So I put it everything's here. So I've been using this DJI SPARK drone for a month now. So the complaint that I'm going to tell you guys, I think so far so good. I have no complaint against this DJI SPARK. I think everything so far is pretty good because I got this DJI combo, which is, it has like it comes with the back, and also it comes with the adapter chargers, literally like complete set of charger, and then it also comes with extra battery, which is one extra battery, and also come with the remote control, and also come with the DJI SPARK, the drone itself, and propeller guard, and also it comes with the extra blade as well. So it has like 4 extra blade, which is if you crash the drone to somewhere else or you break it, you can actually replace them easily. So far I've been using this for a month. I think it's quite nice. I have very nice enjoyable time with this DJI SPARK. SPARK does shoot in 1080p, which is 30 frame per second. 30 frame per second in 1080p is not that bad, because nowadays people shooting camera, using their camera, using their drones and everything, and then if you just gonna upload your footage to the let's say laptop or maybe your phone, something like small resolution, you could actually get a nice better resolution with 1080p, which is 30 frame per second. But if you want to shoot for commercials, or maybe shoot for a TV, stuff like that, I think you should get like a proper drone, which is Phantom series and all the Mavic and all the stuff. So which is, that one has like 4K resolution, and then it shoot much better. But for 1080p, if you are a beginner, if you just want to fly a drone, take some footage, take some really nice shot from up height, so I think I really high recommend that you guys get the DJI SPARK. And if you new, you never flown any drones before, so I think DJI SPARK is just a perfect drone for you. DJI SPARK, it has like mechanical gimbal stabilization. It also has a 2-axis gimbal, which is not as like Phantom or not as a Mavic. It has like more than 2-axis gimbal, but for DJI SPARK it only has 2-axis gimbal. And it also have the powerful lens as well. So it took very nice picture. It has like f2.6 wide angle lens with a 25mm equivalent focal length. So, and it also has a 2 sensor. DJI SPARK has 2 sensor, which is one at the front 3D sensor, and another one is just underneath the SPARK as well. So if you can see, the DJI SPARK have an obstacle avoidance. If you can turn it on, you can turn it off, so it depends to you. So if you don't want to crash your drone, you should turn it on, because otherwise your drone is gonna crash into the building. So it has 2, which is one at the front and then one underneath the DJI SPARK itself. So the speed of DJI SPARK, it can go for 50 km per hour, depends on the situation, which is if you fly in the high wind and then upwind or downwind, it could be a bit more difficult to reach at certain point 50 km per hour. But if you're flying with the minimum wind, let's say 5 or maybe 10 kilometer per hour that day, the wind, I think it should be fine, because it could go really fast. But if you turn in on the sport mode in DJI Spark, you can actually go 50 kilometer per hour, and it is very fast. It could be really nice drone to play with, and also it can reach until 2 kilometer per hour. To be honest, I'm in Europe right now, so the signal that I got to fly this drone is only 5.8 gigahertz, which is not even 2 kilometers, not even 500 meters. I could actually fly this drone for 300 meters with me and with the controller itself. So what I'm saying here, because if you're in Europe, I don't know, maybe they have been programmed all these drones and everything, so I couldn't actually fly far away from me. So 300 meters, that is a maximum, and then after that you could actually see the control disconnected from the Spark itself, and then it will return home automatically. I think it's just for security issue or safety issue for, you know, for the public, for some reason, I don't know why. Alright, so we are talking about the battery as well. So the battery itself, okay, if you buy the Fly combo, you could actually get extra battery. I will highly recommend, if you buy the Spark, get the DJI combo, because it is very good. You could actually get the extra battery. Battery lasts for less than 16 minutes, I'm telling you. So by the time you turn on the Spark, you try to get it connected to your control and then get the setting done on your phone, you could actually get like 14 minutes. You already waste 2 minutes more. So, and that 14 minutes you can actually fly up and then take your shot, everything. Basically minus 20% or 30% battery, return to home. You could actually fly for 12 minutes. That is my experience. I flew this drone for 12 minutes. I got whatever shot that I want. I have to plan precisely. If I on that location, I need to shoot, and then I was thinking like, okay, what kind of shoot that I wanted, which angle, which part of that space that I really want to shoot, and then I'm gonna fly my drone and then take exactly what I wanted. If you want to take a nice footage, okay, before I get this drone, I don't have the SD card so with me, so I don't put any SD card in the DJI Spark. So because I just flying around and then I just took the video and everything, so when I put in my laptop and then I've seen that the footage itself, it doesn't looks really nice. It has like flickering, and then it has like line of the footage video. So at first, I'm not really sure what is going on with this drone. I thought this drone is going to be a disaster, and then the footage is really bad. And then I've seen a couple of videos, and then I couldn't find the solution what is going on with my drone. So, and then the other day I bought the SD card. I was thinking like I should buy the SD card and then just slot it in. And then I put it in, and then I took a nice video with SD card. So I'm telling you, if you want really nice footage video with DJI Spark, I will highly recommend that you guys got the SD card, because SD card will shoot 1080p and 30 frames per second. So if you don't put the SD card, you will see at the screen it doesn't shoot 1080p and 30 frames per second. So you have to put the SD card in order to get the nice full footage for 1080p and 30 frames per second. So far DJI Spark doesn't have any problem that you know, concern me. The thing is, like, you know, in DJI Spark, it's such a very small drone. It's just weight for, so it's less than 1 kg actually. So it is easy for you to fly in the city. So if you go to this certain city, so there's some certain city you require to have a license or whatsoever if your drone above 1 kg. But with the DJI Spark, it is very nice because it's less than 1 kg. You can actually fly your drone high up, and then, you know, it's such a small tiny drone, so you could actually fly anywhere. So I don't have any problem, even in Brussels, don't have any problem flying the drone. So I have very nice good shot in Brussels, so I'm quite happy so far, no problem at all. So as I say, if you're new to the drone, if you never fly any drone, I highly recommend that you guys can get this DJI Spark. It comes with so many accessories. If you get the drone itself without the controller, it's fine. You can still use your phone to fly the Spark, but you can't get like very full range miles without the controller. So it's still good, you know, it's still not that bad. So I hope you guys enjoys this short video that I'm showing to you guys. I just want to give a full review what I feel about this drone. I really like it, no problem at all, and I think it's such a perfect drone for me. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to give some like and also some love and also some happiness, you know. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.